Amen. Todd with Empowered Men Coaching. Hope you're having a great day. Wanted to discuss a little bit about how you can maintain your routines during the busy holiday season. Routines are anchors. Routines create the right mental space, physical space. Routines are important. And there's going to be a lot of competing demands during the holidays. So, in preparation of having a busier schedule than normal and still wanting to maintain a sense of routine, a process during this time, what I suggest is you identify 2 to 3 core habits that you do and really focus on making those happen. So maybe it's a workout, maybe it's journaling, maybe it's meal prep, whatever it might be that are the higher priority routines, and just a couple of them, identify them, focus on them. And just like any other time of the week outside of the holiday season, schedule them in. Schedule the time that you'll be doing it so it's clear, you understand it, and you protect it. What also is helpful is to communicate boundaries with your family, with your coworkers. Let them know what you're able to do, willing to do, and what you will not do, or what times you won't be available for something. It's okay to say no. You do not have to say yes to everything. And in explaining this, in telling them what's going on, ask for their support. Ask for them to help encourage you to maintain your boundaries and complete your daily habits and your routines. I think it's also important to adjust your expectations. It's not going to be perfect. It's not going to be perfect. And you're seeing people that you may normally not see during the day, during the week. You have activities available to you that aren't normally available at other times of the year. So it's not the same situation. It doesn't mean that you still can't focus and practice those routines that are most important to you, but it's important to just adjust your expectations. Maybe something will need to, just adjust your expectations, because that leads into the next thing. Be flexible. So the flexibility part is, normally I work out in the morning. Maybe I'm going to have to move it to midday or in the evening because of something that's going on, or vice versa. I work out in the evening. I need to move it to morning. Or maybe the routine, if it's a workout routine, it's going to need to be shorter. Or maybe instead of going to the gym, I'm going to use my fitness app and do a 15-minute routine off of the app. Allow yourself some flexibility and have a backup plan for when things get interrupted, what you may be able to do. And I think what happens when you go into this period of time in the holidays and you're prepared, mentally, you'll experience less frustration when things change or when things get interrupted, and you'll have more success because you've thought about this and have some alternative plans available or some ways to manage it. And I think what's really important to remember in maintaining your routines through this busy time in the holidays is it's about progress, not perfection. You're doing the best you can. You're being intentional about it. You're addressing it. And some days will go better than others. But the point is, you are touching it, you are moving it, you're continuing it, you're keeping the momentum going, and that's the win. All right, I hope that helps you guys. I'm Todd with Empowered Men Coaching. Have a great day, man.